Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm on that Batman shit. Fuck a sidekick, this motherfucker. See, I bring this shit too hard. Ready to crack the cranium. These motherfuckers see I ain't the same as him. I'm a different part, a different species. You already know these niggas see the way I beat. I be on the stage, ready to run the rampage. With this mic in hand, I kill anybody with one page, maybe one verse. I come through ready to drink a vampire's blood with thirst. I lay them down in they hearse. Now I'm feeling cursed since birth. These niggas get murked just when I'm mad and feeling hurt. Fucking put their ass underneath the dirt. Now I'm up in they bitch's skirt. Pussy been murked. These niggas see the way now she got to twerk that on the block for the cash. Niggas see the way they talk shit, now they getting mashed on with the pistol. Niggas see the way we blow they blocks up with missiles straight from Osama them. You already know I come through and straight promise them the money if they down to work. Come through and let you know I blow hella perk. Let the badass yellow bitch go ahead and squirt. Hold on, you on my fucking turf. These niggas know niggas softer than some fucking nerf. Ha. You passed the curfew, little young ass niggas. These niggas acting like they down to pull triggers. Hold on, me and my boys stacking 6 figures. 6 bitches on the big 6 damn triggers. How you like this? I like the beat. These niggas see I kill an MC, I'm not discreet. Smell my feet, it's nasty blood. I let you know a nigga straight up a rugged stud. I don't give no hugs. I got eyes around straight up like pugs. Big as fuck. I tell them niggas if we shooting homeboys, we niggas better duck, cause I'm finna go crazy. Niggas always telling me you lazy. Fuck this, I'd rather get high off the haze, baby. Now they wanna hate me. Fuck this, now they all wanna. Yeah, I'm done.